Hello, fellow travelers. Ever dreamed of retiring on a cruise ship and traveling the world? It's totally doable. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 10 essential steps to help you turn that dream into a reality. We'll dive into everything from planning and budgeting to the lifestyle changes you might need to consider. So grab your captain's hat and let's get started. The first step to setting sail for retirement is finding the right cruise line. Think of it like choosing where you want to live, but instead of neighborhoods, you're looking at cruise lines. Each one has its own personality and caters to a different type of traveler. Research is key here. Read reviews, compare itineraries, and even consider taking a few shorter cruises to get a feel for different companies. Okay, let's talk about the elephant on the deck: the cost. While living on a cruise ship can be surprisingly affordable compared to traditional retirement, it's crucial to have a realistic budget. Start by calculating your estimated annual living expenses, including cruise fare, onboard expenses, healthcare costs, and travel insurance. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, compare them to your retirement income sources like Social Security, pensions, and investment accounts. Remember, this is about finding a sustainable way to enjoy your retirement, not just surviving on a shoestring budget. One of the most exciting parts of retiring on a cruise ship is the opportunity to explore the world. But with so many incredible destinations, choosing the right itinerary can feel overwhelming. Do you dream of exploring ancient ruins in the Mediterranean, marveling at glaciers in Alaska, or soaking up the sun on Caribbean beaches? Look for cruise lines that specialize in those regions. Consider starting with shorter itineraries and gradually working your way up to longer voyages as you become more comfortable with the lifestyle. Now let's talk about something super important: your health. While cruise ships are generally very safe, it's essential to be prepared for any medical needs that might arise. Most cruise ships have medical facilities on board with doctors and nurses available to treat minor illnesses and injuries. Before you set sail, make sure you have adequate travel insurance that covers medical expenses, emergency evacuation, and repatriation. It's also a good idea to pack a comprehensive first aid kit and any prescription medications you take regularly. Packing for a cruise ship retirement is a bit different than packing for a typical vacation. Start by making a list of absolute essentials: comfortable clothing for both warm and cool weather, swimwear, walking shoes, and any items you use daily for personal care or medical needs. Remember, you can always do laundry on board, so you don't need to pack your entire wardrobe. Consider bringing along items that will make your cabin feel more like home. And don't forget practical items like a power strip, a reusable water bottle, and a small backpack for shore excursions. Moving from land-based living to a floating city can be a big adjustment, but it's all part of the adventure. One of the biggest changes is getting used to the motion of the ocean. While most people adjust quickly, it's a good idea to pack motion sickness medication just in case. You'll also need to adapt to a more structured schedule, with set meal times and activities. But don't worry, there's plenty of time for relaxation and spontaneity too. Take advantage of the ship's amenities, explore different areas, and find your rhythm for enjoying life at sea. One of the biggest concerns people have about retiring on a cruise ship is the social aspect. Will they be able to make friends and build a sense of community? The answer is a resounding yes. Cruise ships are like floating communities, filled with people from all walks of life who share a love of travel and adventure. Take advantage of opportunities to meet new people, like joining shore excursions, participating in onboard activities, or simply striking up conversations at the bar or dining venues. You might be surprised at the lifelong friendships you form while sailing the high seas. Just because you're retired doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, staying active is crucial for maintaining your health and well-being. Luckily, cruise ships offer a wealth of opportunities to stay fit and have fun. Take advantage of the onboard fitness center, join a yoga class, or participate in dance lessons. And don't forget about all the active excursions available in port. From hiking and biking to snorkeling and kayaking, there are endless ways to explore new destinations while staying active. In today's connected world, staying in touch with loved ones while traveling is easier than ever. Most cruise lines now offer a variety of internet packages to suit different needs and budgets. You can choose from basic plans that allow you to check email and browse the web to more robust packages that support video calls and streaming services. To stay connected with family and friends, consider setting up regular video calls, sharing photos and updates on social media, or even starting a travel blog to document your adventures. Once you've made the decision to retire on a cruise ship, it's time to start planning the practical aspects of your move. Start by decluttering your home and deciding what to do with your belongings. You can sell, donate, or store items you don't plan to take with you. It's also a good idea to notify your bank, insurance companies, and other important institutions about your change of address. Most importantly, don't be afraid to ask for help from family and friends. This is a big transition, and having a support system in place can make all the difference. So there you have it, the 10 essential steps to retire on a cruise ship and travel the world. I hope this video has shown you that this dream is within reach with a little planning and a whole lot of adventurous spirit. Ready to set sail into your retirement? Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a life of adventure and relaxation on the high seas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living your best life.